All right, shout out and thanks to Lowe's for putting up these veteran parking only spots for their stores. Very cool. Appreciate that. So a really nice morning, out and about doing, some shopping and bopping around, light traffic, until I came up to this intersection here. Watch this. Dump truck blows right through the red light. And there's a school bus right there. I don't know if you missed that. See that right there? And here he goes. There's the stop line right there. Still red. Yep, goes right through it. I have no idea how much dump trucks weigh, but in a collision, they would likely win. So I don't know what this dude is thinking. Red lights are optional. Pretty pathetic. Look at that. See that? The camera didn't pick up his license plate number. But, yeah, they're morons everywhere. All right, guys, just want you to be safe and follow the law. Have a good one.